So fourth experiment and that third one, XOR gate. So for XOR gate, we'll see the logic symbol. This is the logic diagram, circuito, for CMOS logico. Here, 2 PMOS were there, 2 NMOS is there, one series connection. Here the parallel connection, and according to that, we can check the truth table. It is working. Okay. Now according to the circuit, we have written a program. We'll see the program. Okay. So here is a program. So same module, 2 inputs, input 1, input 2, 1 output, output, 2 inputs, and we have taken a wire, 1 input bar, that is not of input 2. Okay. Now PMOS, first PMOS you can see here, output, that is always drain terminal, source terminal and gate terminal. Drain terminal is output, then source terminal is input 2, then gate terminal is input 1. So see the diagram here. For this, drain terminal is output, source terminal is input 2, then gate terminal is connected to input 1. So likewise we have written the program. Next to NMOS. NMOS output, drain, source and gate. Drain, source and gate. Drain, source and gate. Here drain terminal, source terminal and gate terminal, input 1. Input 1. Again same one more PMOS, NMOS, gate, drain, sub terminals will write end module. Next come to test bench. Test bench same wire, this everything same as previous one. Now coming to here, we are going to check the for every 10 nanoseconds we agree on the input and we are going to check the output, test bench code. Now we will go to the simulation. Same right click, open terminal, type CSHRC, source space cat CSHRC, entire NC launch minus new, multi-step, create sub file, save, yes, don't include any library file, okay. So select this, compile, automatically our library will be generated. Again XOR gate. So we are doing for XOR gate, right? Extract, XOR gate, extract. So you can see there is a snapshot. Now we have to select the test bench of XOR gate, go to the simulation. Select that file, right click, open the waveform window. Now run. Now you can observe XOR gate, input, XOR gate, how it is working. For what is an XOR? If both are same, then it will be 0. If both are different, then it will be 1. If both are different, 1. If both are same, then output will be 0. This is an XOR output. Okay. Next we'll see the gate terminal, gate level program. Till now we have done switch level program. If we use PMOS, NMOS, then it will be switch level program. Now we will see the gate level program for an XOR gate. Okay. So here is a gate level program for an XOR gate. I will show you the program. Here is an XOR gate, gate level program. Here A or B, XOR gate program. Next to test bench program. We will go to the test bench program. So here this is a test bench program. Resistor row, wire row, initial unit, DUT unit and cycle, initial, beginner, and we have assigned the input for every 2 nanoseconds and 4 nanoseconds, and we have to check the output. Then right click, open terminal, type CSHRC, again NC source space CSHRC, entire NC launch, multi-step, create, yes, don't include any file, okay. So select, compile, work library till 100. Then again you have to select, extract, select test bench, extract, say the test bench file, select that, go to the waveform window. So here is a waveform window, select that, right click, send to waveform window and run. So this is a gate level program. According to the time we have given, according to that you will change the input and you are going to get the output. I told you for different conditions, for same condition you will get 0, for different conditions you will get a 1. Okay. Now we will see the area, timing, power report. Right click, open terminals, same. So you want area, time, power, right? So first, before that you should copy the file, RC script file. It is on desktop. Here RC script file, copy that RC script file. RC script will copy, paste it, and there we have to change the name according to our file name. We have changed the name XOR gate according to our file name. We have changed it XOR gate according to our file name. Now right click, open terminal, source space as shrc, again next to same. So you can see automatically area power time files will be generates. Can you see this power file? Here is a power file, and next here is a test bench code. Here is a timing report, and next to area. Here is an area report. Okay. Next to we can see the RTL synthesis code. Same, open the terminal, right click, enter, save space. Give this file so that you will get a RTL synthesis. This is an experiment. Fourth one, third one, XOR gate.